Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix network issues. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then select Connection and Sharing, then go down, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Then tap on this option, Reset Settings, tap here. So this operation reset Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth settings. Then it automatically recreate a new working mobile data setting. Tap on OK. Network settings has been reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix network and internet related issues.